So here we have the database of the LLM Friend. We have here Neo4j and we have some entities. Evolving GraphRAG is using GraphRAG, so vector search and graph search, but it also uses it in a bidirectional way. So this means we are not only retrieving data from the database, here in this case Neo4j, we are also writing back data into the database. So if we look, we have here, for example, a user entity, which is a person and some person entities, and we can open those and see then what we have connected to them. So we have these pink ones, which are topics, and those topics, they are then linked to one or multiple memories. Those topics have then top topics, which are grouping other topics. And this can then create a network of memories. So we can then find related memories. For example, if we have some memory regarding cuisine, we could find other memories which are related to this. Then we have this top topic, which has then links to assumptions and suggestions. Assumptions are done because normally people also would assume something about a person without having knowledge, and this could make the conversation with the LLM friend a little bit more interesting. We have here also suggestions, so the LLM already has some ideas that it can provide based on the memories that are linked to the top topic. Here some other entities. We have Petra, and let's have a look what we have linked to Petra. We have Maria. And then we have regarding Maria something about a Ikebana workshop. Then here we have the topic Ikebana, which has the same top topic, which has then some different things linked. So like something like we should connect with Petra and Maria, we should develop our skills regarding it, and it has the assumption that I appreciate structured creative activities. So as you can see, this is like spreading a network. Depending on how much time you let spend the LLM which manages the database, you get then better results. So now I'm doing a conversation with the LLM, and you can see how it responds based on the data.
I want to travel to Japan this year. I wanted to meet a friend there. We wanted to do a workshop in Tokyo. Could you tell me some details about it? I forgot it. I also wanted to do some preparations. I wanted to renew something. Can you please remind me again?
It sounds like you have a lot of exciting plans for your trip to Japan with your wife. I'm happy to help you prepare. To answer your question, there are many things to consider when traveling with a partner. Have you thought about what activities or experiences you want to share together? Are there any specific cultural or historical sites you both want to visit? Also, don't forget to check on the visa requirements for Japan and make sure your passport's today. You might also want to look into getting a Suica card or other prepaid transportation cards to make navigating Tokyo easier. But I'm most curious about the workshop you both wanted to attend. Which one was it?
So the workshop was about making flowers. My wife's friend is organizing the workshop.
And your wife are going to have a wonderful time at the workshop in Tokyo? Making flowers together is such a great way to bond and create some beautiful memories. I'm sure your wife's friend is an excellent organizer, and Petra Ikebana workshop will be a great experience for both. As you're preparing for your trip, don't forget to check on the visa requirements for Japan and make sure your passports are up to date. We might also want to look into getting a Suica card or other prepaid transportation cards to make navigating Tokyo easy. What are some of the things you're most looking forward to doing in Japan? Are there any specific cultural or historical sites you both want to visit?
I also wanted to go to Osaka and visit there some sites. Do you remember which sites I wanted to visit there?
Yes, I remember that you wanted to visit some sites in Osaka. Based on your previous conversations, I recall that you were planning to visit the city with Petra and Sophie. You mentioned that you wanted to explore the city's food scene, including trying some of the best ramen restaurants. Considering your interests, here are a few recommendations for sites to visit in Osaka.
Looks like
This is a popular entertainment district known for its vibrant atmosphere, street food, and unique neon lights. Universal Studios Japan. If you're a fan of theme parks or movies, this could be an exciting destination for you. Osaka Castle. As one of the most famous Leica, this castle offers stunning views of the city and a rich history to it. I hope these suggestions help you plan your trip to Osaka. What do you think about visiting these sites?